Hey guys, welcome to IliTube. I am the better half of Ili. And today I'm going to review something great. It is my sponge ball. My sponge ball is Bob, and this is Bob's hole. Bob likes to visit Bob's hole. Then afterwards, we go over this, over that, and it's good. Overall, my expectations were low, but it was quite good overall. I think that you should pick these up if you are interested. It's called in the blender box. Finally, my last product is CC Plus. This is a great product that I just wanted to promote. And the key thing is it says NPN B005138.
I know what I want to put me.
Okay. And thank you very much, and we will talk to you later.
This is an eyeshadow. And there is plenty of colors. See? Sparkle colors.
Oh my goodness, this
What?
is the greatest ever.
So this color's a pink. It's darker pink. This one's sparkly darkish red.
That's great.
And that's a sparkly
This
black.
is really good stuff, I tell you.
This
I
is
just
purple.
order it immediately.
I'm going to try it on.
Try it on, okay?
I'll try it on my hand.
Bye. Did you just rub that off? Mama's gonna keep your butt. Bye for now.